Hello. Do you require all the analysis you need to achieve the very highest marks when exploring the follow-up by Seamus Heaney, but haven't got hours to waste doing it? Well, look no further. The aim of this video is to provide you with all the information you require to achieve the very highest marks when using this poem in your writing. So without further ado, let's begin. So, the poem explores the relationship between a father and a son. The son worships the father in the early stages of the poem as he follows him around the field which the father is ploughing. Over time, the son has taken the reins and is now the father in the eyes of the son, who has become a nuisance. Contextually, it's important to note that Heaney was from a family of farmers, making this in part an autobiographical poem. The title suggests not just the obvious idea of one person following behind another, but it also suggests the idea of worship, to follow someone. It can also suggest that someone is a nuisance. The first-person dramatic monologue form ensures the reader fully understands the feelings of the son as he reflects on a relationship with his father. Structurally, the ABAB rhyme scheme reflects not only the horses moving up and down along the field, but can also represent the son and then the father following the other around that field. The simple sentence, "an expert," is an emphatic remark, suggesting there is no other possible viewpoint of his father. Using the present tense in the final stanza highlights the change in the relationship between the two. Starting the poem with "my father" demonstrates not just the pride the son has for his father, but indicates the possessive love he has for him. And the repetition of "stumbling" is used to highlight the transition of the father and son. Finally, focusing on the language now, "globe like a full sail." Well, this similarly demonstrates the size and strength of his father. The noun "sail" suggests that he powers the plough rather than it being the horses. The horse's strain reinforces the power of his father. It is the horse who is controlled. Without breaking, shows that despite the power of his father, he's able to control the earth without damaging it. The Lexis exactly helps once again to demonstrate how professional the father is. "I stumbled." The verb indicates not just the youth of the speaker, but helps to indicate how challenging ploughing the field was to make the father seem even more of an expert. "Broad shadow" is not just a physical representation of the power of the father, but the influence he has on the son and the farm itself. So thank you. I hope that's proven to be useful. Continue to revise and practice now, please.